I am giving an introduction to attitude scale. Attitude is a tendency of an individual to react in a certain way towards a particular stimulus, object, situation, process, or phenomenon. And it is what a person feels or believes in, and we can say that it is the inner feeling of an individual that may be positive, neutral, or negative towards a designated class of stimuli. To understand about an individual's attitude, we can use of questions or by getting people's reaction to statements, a sample opinion is obtained. From this statement of opinion, one may infer or estimate their attitudes, what they are believe. While measuring attitude, there are some dimensions or properties of attitude that should cater into account. The first dimension is direction. Direction means an individual's opinion for or against an issue. So it may vary from person to person. The second point is that degree. Degree means the amount of favorableness and unfavorableness in a particular continuum by an individual. The third point is that strength or intensity. It shows that how an individual attitude is strong enough to face a particular situation, or how to handle a emergency situation by his strength, like the things coming under this strength or intensity. The fourth point is that salience. Salience means it is the freedom or the spontaneity with which it is manifested. The last dimension is congruence or consistency. That means how an individual maintains his attitude under difficult situation. So these five are the main dimensions coming under measuring the attitude. There are some methods of measuring attitude that we are discussing now. The first method is that asking the individual directly how he feels about a subject through the use of a schedule or questionnaire and interview. The second method is that asking the individual to check the statement in a list with which he is in agreement. Next is that asking the individual to indicate the degree of his agreement or disagreement with a series of statements about a controversial subject. Last method is that inferring an individual's attitude from his reactions to projective techniques through which he may reveal his attitude unconsciously. Now we are learning about types of attitude scale. It is a tool prepared for the express purpose of measuring students' attitude to an issue. There are two main ways of constructing and standardizing attitude scales, that is, Thurston scale and Likert scale. Thurston scale is the method of equal appearing intervals. While Likert scale is the method of summative ratings, but the most simple and widely used scale of attitude measurement is the Likert scale that we will discuss in next class.